Legacy Building Solutions, the worldwide leader in tension fabric structures.
We are a full-service manufacturer, designer, installation, and sales team. We can focus on putting forth a quality product that is safer, higher quality, and will last longer for our customers.
Legacy Building Solutions designs and installs custom fabric buildings for business and operations, lifestyle and entertainment, sports and bulk storage. From agriculture to manufacturing, sporting events to office buildings, Legacy will design build any structure to fit any need.
At Legacy, we make it easy for a client to walk in the door and ask for a customized building, a shape, or a project that does not fall into the predetermined shape and size.
With rigid steel I-beam frames, Legacy's buildings have the strength to be larger, wider, and taller than any other tension fabric building on the market.
We can customize the building in many different ways.
We offer varying column heights, offset peaks, lean-tos.
We can add cranes to a building. We can add conveyors to a building.
We can incorporate large hanging loads into our structures. We do liners, insulation,
Mezzanines inside buildings that can attach to the structure as well.
and even have experience installing solar panels on the roofs of our structures.
In addition to unlimited design options, Legacy offers full-service construction with in-house crews completing building design, fabrication, and installation. Safety and quality are ongoing concerns at Legacy. The team works daily to improve all aspects of their structures and processes.
In an ongoing effort to improve quality, Legacy undergoes 2 annual audits: ISO 9001-2008 and the Canadian Standards Association A660.
Legacy's patented fabric tensioning system ensures longevity and strength. Legacy meets each project's specifications, local building codes, and customer goals. Legacy Building Solutions, carrying the fabric structure industry forward with quality, innovation, and service. Start building your legacy today.